Hello everyone, today I am going to talk about solar system. There are 8 planets around the sun. In the solar system, there are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Mercury is the sweet planet. Venus is the rescue planet. Earth is the blue color planet. We all in this earth. Mars is the red color planet. Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system. Saturn is the second largest planet in our solar system. Uranus is very cold and windy. Neptune is the final planet. And I scared. We live on our my
I love.
I love